In this video, we will see that how to download Visual Studio Code in Windows operating system. If you have already installed it or know how to install, then you may skip this video. In order to install Visual Studio Code, just open your web browser and search for Visual Studio Code. And then hit enter. The result will come up. You can check for official website of Visual Studio Code, that is https://code.visualstudio.com. Then click here. Next page will be come up. Click here, download for Windows. Then click save file. Your download process is begin. It will take some time, depend upon your internet or laptop speed. So we wait till it downloaded. Now download process is completed. I click the download icon, click for setup, that is VS Code user setup. I accept the agreement, then click next, click next, click next. You can choose for if you would like to create an icon on desktop, then select this option, click next, then install. Launch Finish Studio Code, and your installation process is completed. This is the welcome page of Visual Studio Code. Thank you.